how science works.
Even though they have opposite effects in chemical terms, both acids and bases are familiar to us as stinging or even dangerously corrosive substances. The strength of acids and bases varies over a wide range. We can tell if a substance is acidic, basic, or neutral by using an indicator. An indicator is a group of chemical dyes that change color depending on the pH, and different indicators will change color at different pH levels. A universal indicator gives the colors ranging from deep red at a very low and acidic pH to yellow, green, blue, and purple as the pH level increases and the substance becomes more alkaline. Another way to measure the pH level is through a pH probe connected to a pH meter. By dipping the probe into a solution, we can electronically measure the pH and get a numerical reading on the meter. Probes can be more accurate and precise compared to an indicator as it doesn't involve guessing shades or particular colors on the pH scale. The pH scale runs from 1 to 14 and displays the range of acids and bases. Any substance measuring 1 to 6 on the pH scale is an acid, and substances measuring from 8 to 14 on the pH scale is a base. A neutral substance has a pH of 7, like pure water. The term pH stands for potential of hydrogen ion concentration and refers to the amount of hydrogen ions in the substance. Since pH is a logarithmic scale, this means that for every 1-digit change in the pH, the hydroxide ion concentration changes by 10 times. Acids are substances with hydrogen atoms that are released as positively charged hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Any substance that forms an aqueous solution with a pH less than 7 is considered acidic. The more hydrogen ions released, the stronger the acid. Alkaline or base are usually found as ingredient in making cleaning products like soap and ceramics such as tiles and porcelain. Bases counteract acids by neutralizing their hydrogen ions and can be just as reactive. Substances with a pH greater than 7 is considered basic. Alkalis are a subgroup of bases that are soluble in water, which makes alkalis a base that dissolve in water to form solutions with pH greater than 7, forming negatively charged hydroxide ions. Reacting an acid and a base together forms a neutralization reaction which always produces salts and water. For example, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide react to form sodium chloride, which is salt plus water. Another way to show a neutralization reaction is in terms of positively charged hydrogen ions and negatively charged hydroxide ions, where H positive form the acid and OH negative form the base, and combine to form H2O. Since both the acid and the base were neutralized in the reaction, the pH of the product is 7 or neutral. A common acid like hydrochloric acid is used in household cleaning products, battery production, and is also the gastric acid in the human stomach that helps digest food. While bases are usually hydroxides or carbonates like calcium carbonate, an organic salt primarily used in the management and treatment of low calcium conditions and acid reflux in the stomach. Acids and bases are common in our everyday life, and by knowing that the acids have a sour taste and can be corrosive and changes blue litmus paper to red, while bases may have a bitter taste, feels slippery, and changes red litmus paper to blue, we will be more careful in choosing and handling food, household, and personal care products. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more science lessons. God bless!